So hello, this is me Mehak and welcome to the Blitz news channel. Heavy rains continue to lash over several parts of Kerala on Wednesday, affecting normal life and leading to flood-like situations in many areas due to incessant rains over the past few days. The water level of several rivers in the state has reached close to the dangerous mark. The India Meteorological Department (IMD) issued an orange alert indicating very heavy rains in Thiruvananthapuram and a yellow alert indicating heavy rains in Kollam, Pathanamthitta and Alappuzha districts. The weather agency said that heavy rain accompanied by thunder and lightning is likely to continue to last over the state for the next 4 days. In view of the weather conditions, the Thiruvananthapuram district administration has declared a holiday for educational institutions including professional colleges and Kendriya Vidyalayas today. Further, the Kerala Public Services Commission has also postponed the physical fitness test scheduled on October 4 and 5 October in Thiruvananthapuram district. The new date for the test has not been announced yet. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.